Right, in a previous video, we had a look at how to draw a stem and leaf diagram, given some data about how much boys spend on downloads per month. So we did this, and this is what it looked like. So before we had the rough and the actual, and then we put stuff in order here. Okay, now we've got some girls' data on how much they spend on downloads every month, and we've been asked to put these in what's known as a back-to-back stem and leaf, so we can compare the boys and girls nice and easily. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a different method on how to put this in without having the rough bit. So here on this row, this is anything under 10. Here's a number under 10. Are there any more? There aren't, so that's nice and easy. That's just going to be that. Now, anything between 10 and 20, well, anything in the teens, basically, we've got 15 and 18, there we go. Now, I'll put the lowest one first, and then the next, there we go. And if you remember before, I ought to have crossed them out so I don't use them again, shouldn't I? So I know where I am. Now, we're looking at the 20s, and I'm going to use orange for that one. So anything in the 20s, there's one, there's another, and there's another. Now, which is the lowest out of those? Well, we've got two 23, so I'm going to do a 3 and a 3 there. Cross those out, and then it's 5, and then it's 8. Right, finally, we should have anything in the 30s. We've got 33 in the 30s there, which is the lowest. We've got 30 there, cross that out. Then it's 31, and then it's 34. Now, you'll have hopefully noticed one mistake, and that's I haven't put a key. So I must have a key, and the key would be, and just pick one of these, 2/4 means £24 or 24. So just so the person reading it can tell what each number in there means. Now, I've been asked to make a couple of comparisons. I'm not going to write these down, I haven't got enough room here. First of all, I would say the girls clearly spend more than the boys on downloads each month. But also I would say, because you've got to have a look here, is the girls' data is more evenly spread. You'll notice here we've got one long line of boys in the teens, but here we've got it more spread out. Okay, there's slightly more in the 20s and than 30s and teens, but actually they're quite nicely spread.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.